Hey guys, welcome in to Divine Golden Master. I wanted to give you guys a quick preview and a kind of a come with me, walk with me, follow me down to the water. I wanted to show you guys this right here. It's called Pinachola, but it's basically sugar cane, okay? We're gonna do another video separate from this video where I'm gonna explain to you guys what exactly this is, and it's a really great offering to help increase your abundance, bringing it to the waterfalls, even just leaving it at the bottom of a tree. Giving it back to earth in a beautiful way helps to bring a lot of wealth, abundance, and prosperity in your life. Also, a lot of peace, love. This brings a lot of attention to you as well on the aspect of love and lust. So people will also be drawn more towards your energy and want to really be around you, and in a positive way. It's not low vibrational. It brings in a lot of high vibrational experiences. So we're gonna go over that in another video, but I just wanted to show you guys, and this is one of my this used to be one of my usual routines that I'm getting back into because I'm moving closer to the water again. So I'm excited about that. You guys, I'll be close by the waterfall again. And with this energy, it's really good to just come out here, and especially if you're a water sign and have a water sign in your top 5. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys how I just come out here. I'll leave my offerings, wipe my hands. Also, I like to wipe my face when I am at the waterfall. I also love to throw my candle out there because it helps to really make your work or your working go further, in my opinion. A lot of people some people throw it away, some people bury it, some people do different things, but 2 of my favorite things to do is to bury it and to throw it in the water, okay? Especially if you have a business, anything like that, putting your intentions inside the waterfall brings a very abundant energy to that business, or whatever your intention may be. Thank you. The yellow butterfly. That one fell out of my hand. They said they want to write it down. So I'm offering to my known spirits. I'm also offering to my water spirits, right? This one's going in the water. I'm also gonna do some molasses and honey. Yay, Ashe. I'm so grateful, thankful for all the blessings that continue to reign in my life. Thank you, Spirit. And I want to wash my face now. Ashe. And now we digress a little bit. Uh-oh. These is with the intention to be buried in earth. I'm gonna collect the seashell to put in my bathtub when I get home and take my bath. After I cleanse it to connect me to the energy. Okay. Let's see, we got one. Okay. And put that in the sack. Remember to never take nothing from nature without giving something. I find it very interesting that these leaves are black. Like, why, how are the leaves black? I'm confused by that. How are the leaves black? Oh my God, I feel so good. I feel so good. Oh yes, baby. Go cleanse yourself in the water, baby. Yes, Lord. I want to thank all my spirit guides, angels, ancestors, transpiring in my favor at this time. Because I feel it. It's already done. Then look at these. See, I like when it does this because as the tide rises, it's gonna bury it, and you can even push it down into earth, right? Because now you're burying your intention. And I like that. Wait, no. And that's gonna bury over time as the sand rises. It's gonna even leave a longer lasting imprint, because the water is usually way higher too. It's normally like right here. So when the water goes up too, that's just gonna solidify. Ooh, I want to sit on this. But I have to pee. Dang. Look at the root, the base right there. Ooh. Feel really good. Feel good, feel great.